In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add open graph tags for social sharing. Now, this is a fantastic way to ensure that when someone shares your website or specific pages on social media, the posts will look professional and include all the necessary information like the title, description, and even a thumbnail image. We're going to walk through this process using Webflow, a popular visual website builder, and it should only take us about 5 minutes. Let's start by heading over to Webflow's website. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first. However, if you're all set with an account, click on the Login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow dashboard. Once you've made it to your dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and select the project where you'd like to add open graph tags. Clicking on a project will take you to the detailed view for managing your site. Inside your project, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left. Click on the Pages tab, which will open up all the pages associated with your project. Here, you'll want to find the specific page you want to enhance with open graph tags. Now click on the Settings icon for that page. This is where you can configure various aspects of your page's behavior and appearance, one of which includes the globally recognized open graph tags. Scroll down until you see the Open Graph Settings section. Here's where the magic happens. You have the option to specify a custom title, description, and even select an image that should be displayed when your page is shared on social platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. It's critical to ensure that these snippet details are engaging and informative, because they will be the first impression users get on social media. The title should be concise, yet descriptive of the page content, and the description should provide a brief summary that entices people to visit. For the image, make sure it's a high-quality image that represents the content well. This step is crucial because a captivating image can significantly influence the click-through rate from social shares. Once you're satisfied with how your open graph settings look, remember to hit the Save button at the bottom to ensure all your changes are kept. Finally, publish your site so that the new settings are live. Congratulations! You've just added open graph tags to your Webflow project, optimizing it for social sharing. Now when your link gets shared, it will look polished and professional. This small but powerful enhancement can make a big difference in how your content is perceived and shared across social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.